today's video. I hope you all are doing well. So I am back with another lipstick video, but this time it's all about nude lipsticks. I'm going to share my favorite top 50 nude lipsticks with you. So when it comes to nude lipsticks, you guys know that nude shades are my first choice. Currently I'm holding a lot of nude lipstick in my collection, so I thought that I can definitely share my top 50 nude shades with you. So I'm going to swatch my 50 favorite nude lipsticks on my lips today, and my lips are just going to die. I have divided this video into 3 sections: peachy tone nude lipsticks, brown nude lipsticks, and pinky or mauve tone nude lipsticks, so that it will be easier for you to choose the perfect shades. And all of these shades are definitely going to work for everyone out there on all Indian skin tones. I'm going to talk about each and every lip shade as I generally do. So I hope you're gonna like it. Make sure you subscribe and let's get started. So the first one is by Too Faced. It's her melted matte lipstick in the shade Making Moves. It's a beautiful brown nude color which will be working for all Indian skin tones. It's a true brown nude shade having rich warm brown undertone. It can be paired up really well with your smoky eyes, and on an everyday basis you can definitely wear it. It's a very comfortable liquid matte lipstick, very long lasting, transfer proof. You're going to love it. The next one is by Maybelline. It's the Maybelline Superstay Ink Crayon in the shade Leave on the Edge. This is more of a deeper brownish nude, so it's more like a deep brown nude shade having rust/brick undertone, which will be working also really well on deep to dusky skin category as well. On all Indian skin tones, it will be really looking well if you pair it with your neutral eye look. So on an everyday basis you can definitely wear it. It's very comfortable to wear on the lips. This is the Lakme Absolute Matte Revolution lipstick in the shade Wild Brown. I just love this particular brown shade from Lakme. It's so comfortable to wear, and it's just like a true mid-tone brown nude shade having warm undertone, which will be also looking amazing on all Indian skin tones. You can wear it with your warm toned eye looks. The formula is so good, so comfortable to wear. You can definitely give this one a shot. This is the Kiro Beauty Non-Stop Airy Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Nutmeg Nude, and you can see how gorgeous this brown nude lip color is. It's a true brown nude shade with hints of rust, having warm undertone. The formula is so comfortable. It's not at all drying on the lips, guys. You can definitely give this one a shot. A very good quality liquid lipstick which you can definitely try out. This is the Faces Canada Ultime Pro Matte Lips Plus Primer in the shade Natural Cocoa. I love this gorgeous brownish nude shade from this collection. It's one of my favorite formulas, guys. So it's a brown nude shade with hints of pink, having rich warm brown undertone, will be suiting most Indian skin tones. It is so rich on the lips, very long lasting. Love this particular range by Faces. You can definitely give this one a shot. This is the Sugar Nothing Else Matter Longwear lipstick in the shade Browning Glory. It's my current obsession. I am obsessed with it. I'm wearing it non-stop. It's such a pretty true brown nude lip color, guys, which will be working for all Indian skin tones. It's having more like hints of peach as well, which will be also working on deeper skin tones. You can pair it with your warm tone eye looks, or on an everyday basis you can definitely wear it. It's very comfortable to wear on the lips. One of my favorite lipsticks of all time. This is the L'Oreal Moist Matte Lipstick in the shade Maple Mocha. It's a gorgeous brown shade. So this is more of a muted brown shade having hints of rust as well, more like a dull rust with warm undertone, and it's also going to look amazing on all Indian skin tones. It's having a creamy matte finish but very pigmented, luxury looking on the lips. A very good quality lipstick. This is the Maybelline Creamy Matte Lipstick in the shade Nude Nuance, and this is I think my third tube which I have purchased. I love this particular lipstick. It is so wearable, a true mid-tone brown shade with hints of pink, having neutral undertone, going to suit most Indian skin tones. But if you belong to very deep skin category, you can apply a deep brown lip liner underneath this and apply this lip color. It's insanely pigmented, so comfortable to wear on the lips. MAC matte lipstick in the shade Taupe is also an amazing brown nude lip color which you can definitely try out. It's having such nice warm undertone which will be suiting most Indian skin tones. It's more like a caramel brown shade which which is also having brown undertone but having warm brown undertone, and it's going to work on everyone out there with your intense smoky eyes like blue smoky eyes, black smoky eyes. The shade taupe looks amazing, and it's a creamy matte lipstick, very very comfortable to wear on the lips, and I love matte lipsticks. So this is the Disguise Cosmetics Feather Light Matte Liquid Lip Cream in the shade Relaxed Mocha, and you can see how gorgeous this brown nude shade is. It's more like a deep brown nude shade having warm brown undertone, which will be also looking amazing on all Indian skin tones. It's so comfortable to wear on the lips, such a great formula of liquid lipstick which will be not at all drying on the lips. You can definitely give this one a shot. This is the L'Oreal Free the Nudes lipstick in the shade No Judgment, and this is a more of a different kind of brown nude shade that I have in my collection. It's a deep brown nude having deep mauve undertone. You can see the richness of the color. It's going to work on all Indian skin tones, especially if you belong to dusky to deep skin category. It will be working as a gorgeous brown nude lip color on you. The formula is so good. It's so comfortable to wear. Creamy matte lipstick but very very long lasting, which you can definitely try out. One of my favorite formulas from L'Oreal. It's so good. This is the MAC matte lipstick in the shade Wall, another gorgeous matte nude brown lipstick which will be working really well on all Indian skin tones. It's a brown nude lip color having neutral undertone. It doesn't have that much warmth in it, which makes it suitable for all Indian skin tones. I love this particular shade because you can wear it with your no makeup days, guys. You're going to love it. You can wear it on an everyday basis for your college or office. This is a really pretty brown shade which you can definitely try out. This is the Chambord Matte Riot lipstick in the shade Sunlit Apricot. This is so pigmented, so affordable. Love this particular shade. It's such a pretty rusty brown nude lip color which has got very rich brick undertone, which will be working really well on all Indian skin tones. It's insanely pigmented, but definitely you can blot it down to make it look more matte on the lips, and it's very very long lasting. I love this particular range, and this shade is amazing, guys. Nykaa Matte to Last liquid lipstick in the shade Madras Capi used to be one of my favorite nude brown lipsticks of all time, and I wore this so much, guys. It's such a pretty kind of true brown shade having neutral undertone. On some people it may look like a brown having cool undertone, but I really like it because it matches with the color of my lips. It's more like my MLBB shade. I really like it. It pairs up really well with intense smoky eyes. The formula is really thin and runny, very comfortable to wear. It will be not drying out your lips. Love this particular shade, love this particular formula. This is the Sugar Click Me a Velvet Matte Lipstick in the shade Spicy Salmon, which I absolutely love. It's such a pretty rosy pink nude shade having hints of peach with warm brown undertone, which will be working really well on all Indian skin tones. It's so pigmented. The formula is so good. The only downside of this lipstick is that you just need to click it up to make the lipstick out from the bullet, and you can take it back. So that's the downside. Other than that, the shade looks so pretty on all Indian skin tones. Nykaa So Creamy Matte Lipstick in the shade Walk the Walk is such an underrated shade. People don't talk about this shade that much, but I love this gorgeous dusty rose shade having deep rich brown undertone. It's so comfortable to wear, very very pigmented, so affordable, and it pairs up really well with most of your eye looks, and it will be looking amazing on all Indian skin tones. You can definitely try this. This is the Huda Beauty Power Bullet Matte Lipstick in the shade First Kiss, which is a kind of unusual nude shade that I have in my collection. It's more like a dull, dirty kind of pink shade with gray hints having cool brown undertones. So it will be mostly looking amazing if you belong to fair to medium skin tone. If you belong to dusky to deep skin category, it will be not looking that great. In that case, you can apply a brown lip liner underneath this and wear this lip color. This is the Calabar Sinful Matte Lipstick in the shade Sin, and it's one of my favorite nude lipsticks of all time. I love the formula. I love this particular shade. What a gorgeous looking deep dusty rose shade having hints of wine with brown undertone, which will be pairing up really well with most of your eye looks. It just appears to be like butter on your lips. Such a nice lipstick which gives you demi matte kind of finish, will be working for all out there. I love this particular shade and this particular range. This is the Maybelline transfer proof lipstick in the shade Phylloxin. A beautiful, beautiful, deep, dusty rose shade having hints of peach with rich brown undertone, which will be also looking amazing on all Indian skin tones. It's such a great formula. It appears to be really creamy on the lips. Give it some time and it will be appearing as a complete transfer proof matte lipstick on your lips. Very, very comfortable to wear, and it's really, really long lasting, which you can definitely try out. This is the NYX soft matte lip cream in the shade Rome, and I love this particular shade. It's such a pretty kind of pinky nude shade having warm mauve undertone, and it will be looking amazing on all Indian skin tones. But if you belong to very deep skin tone category, it will be looking a little bit pale or dull on you. So in that case, you can apply a mauve lip liner underneath this and apply this lip color, but it's very, very comfortable to wear. NYX lip lingerie in the shade Exotic used to be one of my favorites, and I wore this so much. It's such a pretty deep rosy pink nude shade having deep peach hints with rich warm brown undertone. So on some people it may look like a deep peachish nude, but on me it looks like a deep pinky nude having deep peach hints in it, which looks so amazing on the lips. It's a little bit drying on the lips, but it's very lightweight and you can wear it for hours and it's not going to budge. It pairs up really well with my smoky eyes. Color Bar Matte Me As I Am lip color in the shade Outrage is such a pretty deep mauvish nude color, guys. I love this deep mauve shade having rich brown undertone, which just look amazing on all Indian skin tones. If you belong to dusky to deep skin category, it will be looking an amazing mauvish rosy nude on you. The formula is so good, so comfortable to wear. Sugar Nothing Else Matter long wear lipstick in the shade Rose Job is one of my favorite pinky nude lipsticks that I have in my collection. It's a beautiful, beautiful rosy pink shade which has got hints of coral as well with warm brown undertone. It looks so gorgeous on the skin. It makes me look so bright. At the same time, it just makes me look so fresh. And I really love the formula. It's so comfortable to wear, very, very pigmented, and you can wear it with your neutral eye looks, with your smoky eye looks, or on an everyday basis. You can definitely try this one. This is the Maybelline Creamy Matte Lipstick in the shade Touch of Spice, or cult favorite lip color. It looks so amazing on most Indian skin tones. Love this dusty muted rose shade having hints of mauve with warm brown undertone. On me it looks like a typical dusty rose mauvish nude shade, but it looks different on different skin tones. You can definitely have this one and you're going to love it. Nykaa Matalicious lip crayon in the shade Jade Rose used to be one of my favorites, and what a gorgeous lip color. Look at this. It's a deep rose shade having such rich brown undertone with hints of wine as well. The formula is so good. It looks so pretty on the lips, can be worn with most of your eye looks. This is the Pax Sweet Sensation lip cream in the shade Go Getter, a gorgeous a pinky nude shade with a warm undertone, mostly having warm brown undertone. It can be worn with most of your eye looks. Very, very comfortable to wear, very soft looking on the lips, gives you a kind of powder matte finish, and this shade will be looking gorgeous on all, guys. You're going to love it, and it's very affordable as well. You can definitely try this one. MAC Powder Kiss, a lipstick in the shade Kinda Sorta, is one of my current obsessions. I am just in love with this particular shade. This is one of our newer launches, and this is such a pretty deep mauvish nude shade which will be not looking washed out on you. If you belong to fair, medium, deep, dusky skin category, guys, you are going to love this particular shade. It's very comfortable to wear. It's having a powdery matte finish, quite long wearing, and you're going to love this particular shade. This is the Bellora Leave No Evidence, a liquid lipstick in the shade Hazelnut. Love this particular shade, guys. What a gorgeous, a true deep pinkish nude shade having hints of warm peach with warm brown undertone. It's so comfortable on the lips. It's a liquid matte lipstick, but not at all drying on the lips. Very, very pigmented, very, very long lasting. Love this shade. you are going to fall in love with it as well. Lakme 925 primer plus matte lipstick in the shade Rosy Sunday is a complete different kind of muted rosy pink shade that I have in my collection. It is so different from the other usual dusty roses, rosy pink shades that I have in my collection. So it's a beautiful muted pink shade which will be working for all, and it's so pigmented. Lakme has got some amazing lip shades and lip formulas which you can definitely try out. It's one of them. This is the MAC Retro Matte Liquid Lip Color in the shade Topped with Brandy, which is a complete true deep mauvish nude shade having grey hints with cool brown undertone. It's so pretty yet looks so grungy, so gorgeous on the lips. I am obsessed with it. I love it. I wore it so much. It's a liquid matte lipstick, can be a little bit drying on the lips, so make sure that you exfoliate your lips. Put lots of lip balm on your lips, remove the excess lip balm, and then apply this lip color. It is a complete different unique shade that I have in my collection. Colourpop Matte X Lipsticks in the shade Cami is one of my favorite nudes that I have in my collection. It's a kind of dull, dirty pink shade having cool undertone, so it will be suiting mostly fair to medium skin tones, but if you belong to dusky to deep skin category, you can wear this lip color if you apply more like a deeper mauvish shades lip liner underneath this, and you can wear it. It's very comfortable to wear on the lips. Faces All Time Pro Matte Lips Plus Primer in the shade Magnetic is a gorgeous dusty deep rose shade having brown undertone, which can be worn with most of your eye looks. The formula is so gorgeous, guys, so creamy, looks so rich on the lips, gives you such a nice comfortable matte finish, and this particular shade can be worn by everyone out there. Fair, medium, British, deep, dusky skin category, anybody can use it, this shade, and you're going to love it. It looks so amazing on the lips. I love this particular shade, guys. Nykaa Ultra Matte Lipstick in the shade Diana is another favorite of mine. It's a gorgeous, deep, dusty rose shade having rich, warm brown undertone, which looks so amazing on all Indian skin tones. It's such a pretty, dusty rose shade, guys. Let me tell you, it looks different on different skin tones. On me, it looks more like a deep, rosy shade. It looks so amazing on the lips, so comfortable to wear, and can be paired up with most of your eye looks. Chambord Extreme Wear Transfer Proof Lipstick in the shade Rose Boudoir, which is in number 483. Used to be one of my favorites. I wore this so much. It's a deep rosy pink shade having deep brown undertone, which looks so amazing when you pair it with your smoky eyes. It can be worn with most of your eye looks. It's so comfortable to wear. It's insanely pigmented, and this particular shade, it's going to work on all Indian skin tones. If you belong to deep to dusky skin category, it will be looking amazing, gorgeous nude shade on you. So coming to my favorite peachy nudes, this is the NYX Lip Lingerie Push Up Lipstick in the shade Seduction. I am obsessed with it. It's such a pretty, true peachy nude shade, more like deep peachy nude shade having warm brown undertone, which looks amazing on all Indian skin tones, especially if you belong to fair to medium to British skin tones. It will be looking gorgeous on you. It has got a plumping effect on the lips. You can wear it with your smoky eyes. You are going to love it. Very comfortable to wear. This is the Calabar Sceneful Matte Lipstick in the shade Envious, and this is also one of my favorites. I love this particular shade. It's such a gorgeous kind of deep peachish nude shade with coral hints having rich brown undertone. It looks so gorgeous on all Indian skin tones. The formula is so buttery, so smooth to apply, and it gives you a kind of demi matte finish, which looks really luxury and rich looking on the lips, guys. You are not going to regret after you buy this one. Nykaa Ultra Matte Lipstick in the shade Mona Lisa is a true peachy nude shade. This is what is called a true peachy nude. It's a complete peachish nude having rich brown undertone, which looks amazing if you belong to fair to medium to British skin tones. If you belong to dusky to deep skin category, it might look a little bit washed out on you. In that case, you can definitely make this work if you apply a deep brown lip liner underneath this and apply this lip color, and you're going to love it. It's very, very long lasting. Too Faced Melted Matte Lipstick in the shade Sellout is a cult favorite one, but it doesn't work on me in that way. It is a kind of pale looking peachish nude on me, which is having brown undertone. You can wear it with your intense smoky eyes, but I would say if you belong to fair to medium skin tone category, it will work for you. But if you belong to British to dusky to deep skin category, it will be looking really pale on you, but the formula is so good, you can definitely give this one a shot. This is the Maybelline Transfer Proof lipstick in the shade Bister, which is more or less like a deep peachish nude, which is also having brown undertone, more like light or mid-tone brown undertone. It's very, very comfortable to wear on the lips. It will be working for most Indian skin tones, especially on fair to medium to British skin tones. It will be looking gorgeous on you. Swiss Beauty Non-Transfer lipstick in the shade Bear is also a beautiful, beautiful peachy nude shade that I have in my collection. It's also more like a mid-tone peachy shade with hints of pink as well, having light brown undertone. It will be looking amazing if you belong to fair to medium to British skin tones. It will be looking a little bit dull if you belong to dusky to deep skin category, but the formula is so comfortable. It's very inexpensive and you will be definitely liking it if you wear it with your smoky eyes. Milani Amore Matte Lip Cream in the shade Loved is my all-time favorite. I just recommend this lip color to everyone out there. It's a beautiful deep peach shade having rich warm brown undertone. This is my most loved peachish nude lipstick that I have in my collection. It looks gorgeous on all Indian skin tones. It looks amazing with all of your eye looks. Love this one. This is the Lakme 925 Primer Plus Matte Lipstick in the shade Roseate Motive, and it's a kind of different peachish nude that I have in my collection. It's more like a reddish, muted reddish nude having different tones of peach in it with rich warm brown undertone, which I really love. It looks really gorgeous if you don't wear any kind of makeup. If you just put your eyeliner on or your mascara on, you can wear it on an everyday basis and it will be looking gorgeous on you. I love this particular shade. Lakme 925 Primer Plus Matte Lipstick in the shade Orchid Dust is also another gorgeous kind of peach shade. This is a muted peach shade having warm brown undertone, and it will be looking amazing if you belong to fair to medium skin tones. It will be not looking that great if you belong to dusky to deep skin tone category, and it's very, very comfortable to wear. You can wear it with your smoky eyes. Too Faced Melted Matte Lipstick in the shade Hot Toddy is one of my favorites as well. It's also very, very it looks very similar to Milani Amore Matte Lip Cream in the shade Loved. It's a complete deep peach nude shade with dull rust hints having a deep rich warm brown undertone. So it is so comfortable on the lips, guys. It just makes me look so fresh, so put together. I love this particular shade. Bellora Leave No Evidence liquid lipstick in the shade Tea Time is also one of my current favorites. I love this particular deep peachish nude shade having rich brown undertone on me. You can see it looks so pretty. It will be working really well on all Indian skin tones. Very, very comfortable to wear on the lips. You're going to love it. It's such a pretty lipstick which will be pairing up really well with your warm toned eye looks. Sugar Matte Attack Transfer Proof lipstick in the shade The Peach Boys is my all-time favorite. I just wear this one so much and I love this particular shade. It's a kind of different rusty nude shade having deep peach tones with rich warm brown undertone. You can see how gorgeous it looks on me. It will be looking amazing on all Indian skin tones. The formula is a very, very comfortable. It's a complete 100% transfer proof matte lipstick. You can wear it for hours and it's not going to budge. This is the NYX Lip Lingerie in the shade Seduction, which is her liquid lipstick, and this is a complete mid-tone peach shade, nude shade, having rich warm brown undertone, which will be looking amazing if you belong to fair to medium to whitish skin tones. If you belong to deep to dusky skin category, you can apply a brown lip liner underneath this and apply this lip color. It can be a little bit drying on the lips, but I really love how it actually feels on the lips. It's very lightweight, very long lasting, and it looks amazing with your intense smoky eyes. If you want me to compare this one with the NYX Lip Lingerie Push Up lipstick in the shade Seduction, you will find that the Push Up lipstick in the shade Seduction is having more of a richer brown undertone than the liquid lipstick in the shade Seduction. Lakme Absolute Matte Melt liquid lip color in the shade Nude Hit used to be one of my favorites. I wore this one also a lot, and I absolutely love this particular shade. It's a true deep peachy nude shade having coral hints with warm brown undertone. Looks very similar to Smashbox lipstick in the shade Driver's Sit, but it's having more of a richer brown undertone. It's very lightweight on the lips, not at all drying on the lips, and you can wear it with your smoky eyes. You're going to love this particular shade. Lakme Forever Matte Liquid Lip Color in the shade Nude Dream is one of my favorite as well because it's so affordable. It's having a kind of runny liquidy consistency, will give you a kind of opaque finish if you apply just 2 layers of this, but this particular shade is going to work for everyone out there. You can wear it on an everyday basis. It's not at all drying on the lips, but I think you can definitely give this one a shot because it's so affordable. A lot of color options are available in this particular range, which you can definitely try out. The pinks of this particular range looks really gorgeous as well. This is a Lakme 925 Wetless Matte Mousse Lip and Cheek color in the shade Nude Cushion, which will be working if you belong to fair to medium to British skin tones. It will be not looking gorgeous if you belong to dusky to deep skin category. It's a peachy nude shade with baby pink hints having light brown undertone. So it might look a little bit pale on you if you have a lot of warm undertone. Other than that, the formula is so good, guys. It's so comfortable to wear. You can use this one as your blush and you're going to definitely love this particular shade. So that's all, guys. So these are my favorite top 50 nude lipsticks that I have in my collection, which I think are definitely going to work for everyone out there. I have selected the shades very thoughtfully and I have shared you the shades from different ranges, so it will be easier for you to choose. I have used all of these and I know how this actually perform. I'm going to put the link of all of these lipsticks in the description box, so the links of 50 lipsticks will be there in the description box, so please do check out. I hope you like this video. If you did, do not forget to hit this video a big thumbs up because that will just pay off my hard work. I just need your love and support. A lot of things go behind the scene, guys, which you can't see. I am just trying my best and I'm working hard, so make sure that you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, or if you're just watching me for the first time. If you like my content, please do subscribe, and you can even share this video with your friends and family on WhatsApp, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, or any other social platform you want. So we'll see you soon in my next video. Until then, take care of yourself, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye, guys.